start off with the introductions. On table number 1,
My name is Kalyan Raman. I'm from Siddhaganga Higher Primary School. I'm from 9th class.
best of luck, Kalyan Raman. My next participant is Nishal. Nishal, sure, go on, introduce yourself.
I'm Nischal HS from Class 9 of National Hillview Public School.
Okay, best of luck, Nishal. And last but definitely not the least, the young lady, Harshita. Go on.
As I am Ashita Biar from Gurukula International School.
Okay.
I am studying in 8th standard.
All three of you, best of luck. But before I come back to you guys, it's again back to you. I hope you synced in, you registered, and you're waiting for us to start our game. Because we need you to join when we start, because letting you join in after that is not really conducive to our environment. Please log on, get started, and be on the same menu as us on your screens online. Then it works like a charm for all of us. For you guys, rules of the game are pretty simple. We're going to play 4 rounds, and each round has got 3 games. Okay? The 4 rounds are integers, decimals, fractions, and algebra. Each of them have got 3 rounds. We expect you to try and crack the answers and try and crack the answers in good time. The reason why I ask you to do that in good time is you must have seen previous episodes where it's not only the number of correct answers or correct games that you win, average time also counts. In case at the end of the match, that is after all the games, you're tied with another person on an equal score, your average time of answering for all the questions gets taken into account. So try and balance the two and try and get as many right answers as possible. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, we are at that point where we start round number 1 with you at home as well as with the 3 of you. Okay, 3 games. Let's begin. First question coming up for you guys on your screen and even for you online at home. Here we go. Game number 1. The expected result is the number 6. It'll come up for you. There it comes. Oh, Nishal has been fast. So has Kalyan. And has Arshita completed. Okay, Nishal, since you were the fastest, please explain.
This one was easy. I just added all 3 of them.
You just added all 3 of them. Well done. Of course, there are other possibilities doing that, but that's for later. We'll just go on to my next questions. Question number 2. Game 2, round 1 on your screen. So let's begin. 30 is what I need of you guys. Harshita is on a redo. Almost done. There. Nisha's finished. Harshita's finished. And Kalyan. Oh, he's doing that again. That's going to take a bit. And while we are at Kalyan, I want you to guys at home to finish your rounds. Because every round you complete, you're going to get prizes for that. So please make sure you get them right and you take your time. It's okay if you take some time to it. Your average scores will only look at the overall scheme of things. But for every game, try and see if you can finish it and give the answer correctly. Okay, Nishal. Back to you again. Go on, explain.
I did 17 and 15.
Okay.
And subtracted 2 from 32.
32. Perfect. That's 30 then. We move on to my next game, the last one of this round. And I expect you guys, all of you, to get it so that we're doing good with our scores overall. Best of luck to you at home while playing online also. And here we go. Game number 3. Okay, coming up for you. The expected result there is 7. 4 different numbers. You've got all the 4 operators available. Pick your best options and try and see you can arrive the fastest at the expected or desired result. While we are doing the desired result, all I expect of you is stay on course, don't miss out. We'll be right back, but that is after the break. Then I'll come and tell you who managed what the overall scores are. But for now, we'll take a quick break. You're watching Numbers Bee. We'll be right back. Okay, what we're going to do is...
Welcome back.
That is what is going to happen. You're welcomed back into the show and the matter of time when I give you the results of what happened at round 1. But before I go there, Nishal, you were fastest again. So if you could explain to me what you did in that previous game and then we can go on to the scores.
Divided 6 by 2.
6 by 2.
9 minus 5.
9 minus 5.
Added them.
Added the remaining numbers. I'm sure you did this or you tried one of the several other options. Can we quickly have a look at the possibilities, please? 53 different versions to try and solve this. I mean, it's a matter of time that you got that, because every time you get something new and something interesting, there's a prize waiting for you. So ensure you're trying to get the answers right, and doing it differently might just help your cause. Okay, quick look at my round 1 scoreboard, and that would be the overall scoreboard since we are only done with one round. Nishchal and Kalyan, 3 games each. Very, very well done. Harshita, 2 games, but both those games you finished in an average time of 9.5 seconds each, which is very, very good. Keep that up. It's a matter of one game which is a difference, so it's not going to be too much of a difference. Just keep pegging it away and you might just catch up with them or even overtake them. You never know. Okay? So best of luck to you guys. We'll move on to round number 2. Coming up for you, this is decimals. And the decimal round remains the same. You just have an expected result. You need to give me the expected result. Nothing changes for you guys. Keep those operators on. Click on those operators. Get your answers right. Get them as fast as you can. And as unique or the winning type that you can, because there's a prize for you guys. Okay, we start off with you. Question number 1, or rather game number 1 on round number 2 coming up for you on your screens now. Nishal's got his game. Harshita's got a game. Okay, game number 1 was pretty fast. Nishal, that's almost 9 seconds to complete. That was pretty fast. Explain to me what you did. Actually, no. Wait, Nishal, you've been doing this for a while, the first couple of games. I'll go to Kalyan this time. Kalyan, go on.
So it's pretty simple. 6.5 minus 2.2.
Okay.
And 4.3 plus
4.5 gives you 8.8. Well done, well done. Archita, you've completed this game also. Just keep completing the games. That's the same thing I'm going to tell you guys at home. Keep completing the games. That's all you need to do. Forget about the average time. That's for later for you to worry about, not right now. We go on to game number 2 coming up for you on your screen. Here we go. Game number 2, the desired or expected result is 12.675. You've got 3 decimals to work with. You've got 2 operators. Use them both, and Nishchal, as usual, is the fastest. He's taken 7 seconds this time. What happened, Kalyan? Too much of a hurry. I told you, finish the game. Don't worry about the time. Okay, just finish the game. Take your time, Harshita. You've got entire 30-odd seconds plus remaining. And while she's at it, had a quick little snippet for you guys. The beauty of Numbers B is that we always bring you a little bit of trivia, which helps your cause to know something better. Okay, did you guys know that what is the term or phrase used in Thailand for the number 5?
No.
No? In Thai, what would number 5 be? No?
No.
Okay. In Thai, the number 5 is spelt out or spoken out as Ha. H-A. So if there was a number like 555, what would happen? Exactly. What we text each other when we find something funny or when we are sending someone a message, the message is always ha 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 because we find it funny. I think the next time you can do it is use numbers instead. The number will be 555. People would get confused and come back to you saying, what is 555? That's when you give them a little bit of trivia. The trivia that you learned at Numbers B. Okay, moving on to game number 3. Best of luck, you guys. Move on to game number 3. 18.908 is the desired result. You got 4 decimals, 2 operators. Kalyan and Nishchal pegging away big time. Nishchal is already done. So is Kalyan. Harshita, 47 seconds. 45 seconds. Why are you in a hurry? Take your, even if you have to undo it, it's okay. Undo it, go slow. But try and complete it. Okay? Nishchal, back to you.
I added 5.3 and 4.4.
5.3 and 4.4.
Then 9.7 minus 1.125.
Minus 1.125.
Then 10.333 plus
Plus
8.5.
8.575 and gives you the desired result. Well done, Nishchal. That brings us to the close of the next round. But we will continue with this game because we need to finish the next round. Round number 3. Round number 3 is a very, very interesting round. That is the fractions round. I've had contestants on the stage here who have got mighty confused with fractions. What about you guys? I mean, are you all strong with fractions? No, Kalyan says he's not strong with fractions. What about you two?
Not so strong.
Not so strong. Okay, That's okay. That's completely all right. Let's take our minds off fractions for a bit, okay? Is there any music form that the three of you like? What's the kind of music
Pop.
you like? Pop.
English pop.
English pop. What about you, Nisha?
Rap songs.
Rap songs, okay.
Melodious.
Melodious, okay. Very nice to hear, but I will move on to my next round, that is the fractions round. And the fractions, don't let them confuse you. Okay? Best of luck to all of you at home online. You've got a whole worldwide audience playing with you. So ensure you're getting them right. Ensure you're solving them differently. You might just get lucky because you never know where luck strikes. So let's go on to game number 1, round number 3 coming up for you guys on your screen. Here we go. Okay, the desired fraction that I require is 7/6. There it is, Harshita. 7/6. You've got 2 operators, and there Harshita's done 2. All of you doing very good time. Harshita's taken 5, Nishal and Kalyan taken 4. Harshita, why don't you explain this to me?
I added the both numbers.
You just added both the fractions and you arrived at 7/6. Kudos to you. Well done. Game number 2 coming up for you guys. And on game number 2, this is your desired or expected result. 6/7. You've got 3 fractions to play with. Got 2 operators. Concentrate on those operators. Kalyan, why are you in a hurry? Don't be in a hurry. Nishal, well done. Well done. And so did Harshita. Very, very well done. Harshita, again, why don't you explain this to me?
12/7
12/7
minus 15/7.
minus 15/7.
15/7 minus 12/7.
Okay, the other way around rather, yeah. 12/7, okay.
And 9/7 minus 3/7.
Okay, 9/7 minus 3/7 gives you the desired result. Well done. And let's quickly take a look at what are the other possibilities of trying to answer that. 8 different ways of solving it. Like I keep saying, that's the beauty of mathematics and numbers. Gives you infinite possibilities sometimes, and that's what makes it interesting. Okay, last game, round 3. After this, we're going to take a look at the scores, but that is after you finish. So you make sure you get this right so the scoreboard looks nice. Best of luck to you guys, and Kalyan, especially you, don't be in a hurry. Finish, get the answer right. Best of luck. Game number 3 on your screen. The expected result is 11/3. You've got 4 fractions to play with, 2 operators to play with, all of them off on a flash. A little bit of undoing happening here. Kalyan, you're in a hurry again. Why are you in a hurry? Don't be in a hurry. It's not required. All you need to do is get the overall answer, and even if it means taking 59 out of the 60 seconds, that's perfectly all right. But get the answer right. Nishal, confident as ever, doing very, very well. That's so nice to see. Harshita just about to finish. And if you're playing this at home, and I know you're playing this at home, make sure you're getting the answers right. Don't be in a hurry. Not worth the effort. Try and finish the answers. So has Harshita. This time, Nishal, back to you again. If you could explain.
17/6 plus 3/2.
17/6 plus 3/2.
13/3 plus 5/3.
That's 13/3 plus 5/3.
6 minus 7/3.
6 minus 7/3 is the desired or the expected result. Well done, Nishal. Let's quickly take a look at the round score of how you guys performed in round number 3. Nishal and Harshita, all 3 together. Well done, Harshita. That's a good way of coming back into this game. Kalyan, why are you in a hurry? Don't be in a hurry. Get those problems right. Once you solve them out, it sorts things out for you in the overall scoreboard. I'll take a look at the overall scoreboard after the break. Let me quickly take a break, and on the other side, scores and the last round. So very, very important round. Don't go anywhere. You're watching Numbers B. We'll be right back. We have had 3 rounds. There are 3 participants, and all of you around the world taking part. That's the beauty of Numbers B. Welcome back. You're watching Numbers B, and one more round to go. Let's quickly have a look at the overall scores and see where our 3 participants stand. On the overall scoreboard, Nishal has taken it's a brilliant one because you've scored on every single round, and you've scored all 3 in every round. That's almost a record as far as I remember. because I don't remember anybody on this stage getting all three in all three rounds right. Okay, good job, congratulations.
Thank
Kalyan and Harshita 6 each, but it's only a matter of the last round, right? For all you know, Nishchal will get overawed by the situation. He's got 3 problems. He might get all 3 wrong. I'm not saying you will. He might, okay? That doesn't mean that you guys don't stop scoring. You just need to continue scoring. If you get all 3 right, you can tie it with him. So it's still not over. The game's not over. So please try and get all 3 right. Nishchal, just to be on the safer side, you need to get at least 1 right. But I would love for you to get all 3 right, because I cannot remember a contestant getting 12 on 12 right. You will be the first one to do that. Ensure you do that. Can I see a smile from you? You're so serious, Nishchal. Okay, that's a good smile to have. And if you've been trying this at home and you've ever got all 12 right, kudos to you. Please try and continue to do so, because Nishchal, somewhere at the back of my mind, is telling me that he's going to get all 12 right. That's a challenge straight out to you at home while playing online. For the 3 of you, best of luck. The last round coming up, and this last round is algebra. Okay, 3 games. Best of luck, you guys. Game number 1 coming up for you on your screen. Here we go. The expected result there is 5. Just press OK on your screen, Harshita. Yeah. Okay. Kalyan, even you? Yeah. Oh, Harshita and Nishchal are done. Just one more time, press OK. Click on OK. Yeah. Okay, he's trying to finish that. Nishchal and Harshita are done. Nishchal, what, you seem to be very calm, collected, and you're good at this. Have you been practicing on numbersbee.in, or is that a natural tendency towards math?
Natural tendency.
Okay, and is there anybody at home who's very, very good at math?
My father.
Your father. Okay. And have you ever had a competition with your dad on this?
No.
Not really. Okay, Numbersbee provides you a platform to do that. So what you can do is get your dad onto one system, you get onto one system. Both of you go to the practice sessions, or when you're watching another episode of this show, make sure your dad is on another system, you're on a different gadget. Try and see if you can compete with each other, and I would love to know what happened. Okay, come back and tell us, because the way things stand, you're going to win this, right? So you are going to come back for the mega final. So when you're back for the mega final, come and tell me what happened. But the game is not over. You've got 2 more games to play. So let's continue getting those scores right with all of us. And so to you at home, when you're playing online, get those questions right. Will help your cause. Okay, moving on. Game number 2. Game number 2, round number 4. On your screen, the desired result is the number 5. Okay. Almost working their way away, and Harshita's almost done. Nishchal's almost done, of course, and just click on OK first, because you need to enter the value for X, and only then it works. Kalyan's almost there. Just need to change your values, Kalyan. Come on. We are almost done with Kalyan, and while Kalyan's working this away, I hope you're doing well with time at home, because time is of the essence here sometimes, because we are nearing the end of the match, and when we are looking at the overall scheme of things, you need to have done very well along with good times. It could just place you ahead of a lot of other people who are playing right now. Okay, last game. Best of luck, and let's quickly go and see what our last game is. The desired result is the number 5. You've got an X to fill, and you've got 3 variables to play with 2 operators, and give me the desired result. Harshita's done, Nishchal is done, just waiting for Kalyan to finish. Oh, you need to press OK, Kalyan, again. Okay, if you have been watching these episodes and you've been constantly winning something or other, I'm sure there are a lot of prizes that you won. Please go spread the word, get more people involved. This will be a lot more like a challenge within a group of friends that are playing together, because I'm sure at some point Nishal is going to be playing with his dad too. So you can play this at home as well as play with your friends. So try and score as many right as you can and get as many prizes as you can, because there are a lot of them on offer. Okay. Still waiting on Kalyan. Last couple of seconds for him to go. There, he's almost done. add those two, and he's timed out. Almost there, but timed out. Okay, quick look at the round 4 scoreboard. I think Harshita did very, very well on this round. Well done, Harshita. And round 4 scoreboard looks like this. Both Harshita and Nishil, of course, finished all 3 games, and such a close average time on that. 10 and 10.33 seconds. Very, very well done, Harshita. Maybe in between, had you got 1 or 2 more right, things would have looked way different. But Kalyan, not bad. It should have been all 3. But the last one, you just timed yourself out. But let's take a look at the overall scoreboard. Nishchal, that is some sort of a record. 12 on 12 has not happened before. Congratulations to you. And really good average time, 11.17. You've been almost finishing every problem at 10 seconds. 10, 12 seconds, which is excellent. Harshita, extremely well done on that comeback.
Thanks, sir.
You were third, you moved on to second with 9 games won and 17.67. Kalyan, it should have been 9 games. It should have been 9 games except for the last game, which didn't work in your favor, but that's a very decent average time of 24.5. And ladies and gentlemen, with a new record set, our record holder Nishchal, now that we know that Nishchal is our champion, that's a well-deserved championship that you get there, Nishchal. You liked melody songs, right? Do you want to sing me a melody song that you like, your favorite song?
Sir, no.
Nothing. You don't want to sing. Okay, fair enough. Any pop that you can think of?
No.
No. Okay. So he rapped, but the two of them don't want to do that. That's perfectly all right. So let's move on to giving the certificates away. First up, the young man who finished with 8 games. Very well done, Kalyan. But from what I see of your ability to answer mathematical problems, I think that should have been a good 10 or 11. One you timed yourself out on, and the other one was you were not fast enough, I think. Okay, but good effort. These are Fun City vouchers and the certificate for you. Congratulations, good job done. Harshita, when I chose to show you the overall scores in the beginning, you were coming third. You backed yourself, you kept on winning those games, and you finished second with an excellent average time. Congratulations on finishing second. Here you go, your certificate, and of course, your Fun City vouchers. And to the young man who is cool, calm, and collected and scored 12 on 12. Not been done before. First young man to do that. Congratulations, Nishchal. Very, very well done. You are a deserved winner today, and that's your certificate. And this are your vouchers. And a nice Q&Q watch brought to you with best compliments from Sri Shankara TV and Ayush TV. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then, that brings me to the end of another episode, a scintillating one where a calm, collected, and a sober Nishchal who loves rap actually landed up winning and winning in style. At home, I hope you've been enjoying this, and also, I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there have been scoring 12 on 12. If you're that consistent, I'm sure there are consistent prizes for you. I'm Lloyd Saldana signing off. This is Numbers B. Let's take on math like never before and see you next episode. Take care.